Hey there, Jason K here. I am standing outside the Haven model home in Westerly, built by McStain. It is 2,800 square feet. There are 5 bedrooms, 4 on the second level, 1 in the basement. All of them have their own, well, with the exception of 2, all of them have their own bath. Really nice property. Let's go inside, take a quick look. So, powder room right off the main entrance, along with your coat closet. This doorway is actually into the garage, which they're using as the sales office. This won't be here in the actual home. Basement door and stairs upstairs. We'll hit those in a minute. Nice classical music. Love the soaring ceilings. By the way, today is a rare cloudy day in Colorado. We have 300 days of sunshine. This isn't one of them. You get a sense of how brightly lit this home is. One of the larger yards you'll actually find in new constructions, which is nice. And of course, open concept on the kitchen. Yum, snacks. Actually, this is a huge walk-in pantry. Very nice. I also like the drop-down space for working in the kitchen. That always comes in handy. This is where you'll actually come in from the garage. Again, they're using it as their workspace office. Coat closet in addition to the cubbies and hooks. Super handy for hanging up work bags and things like that. Backpacks. Let's go check upstairs, shall we? Love the gas fireplace behind the recessed TV. Also, aisle path lighting. So we are entering the first bedroom. Huge closet. And of course, Jack and Jill. Hi. Oh, no, not Jack and Jill. Private bath. Very nice. Nice size linen closet. Upstairs family room seating area. And 2 more bedrooms. And now heading towards the master wing. Laundry room. Nice big folding area, along with a deep sink for washing things that don't go in the machine. And nice extra deep shelves too. And here we are in the master. Also has built-in speakers in the ceiling. Hi. rain head as well as a standard head in the soaking tub. A nice large master suite, or I should say primary suite closet. Very nice master 5-piece. Now let's speed things up and head to the basement, shall we? So that's also finished. Again with aisle path lighting, even down here. Nice high ceilings, at least 10 feet high down here. Storage under the stairs. My guess is unfinished storage space because it is closed. Full bath. And bedroom with egress window. And probably one of the larger closets in the house. Very nice. Well, I would say that concludes my tour of this unit. I hope you enjoyed and live your best life. Thanks so much. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. So you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what the process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. And while you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help save you anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save thousands and thousands of dollars. You want to know more? Book a time on my calendar with the link below, or give me a call, or shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. Don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And always, live your best life.